Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2008 Ford Super Duty. It features a 6.4-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a moonroof, a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, a trailer hitch receiver, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, and this vehicle has fewer than 56,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Ford qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.